Every kid is a wonder and their smiles are good. Myself is the winner of KG2B. I am here to express the gratitude to you. First of all, a big thank you to our most beautiful dragon woman. She is a shining light. She carries the top knowledge for her students. Thank